In this video, I will be showing you how to bookmark a website in Brave browser. So let's get started. For this, just go to the website that you want to bookmark. In my case, I am inside chatgpt.com. After going to that website, near to the website link, you'll be having this bookmark icon. Just select this and just have a name for it. You can change it if you want to. And the folder is going to be bookmarks bar. Just click on done. If you're not able to see the bookmark bar, just go to this 3 lines icon. Here we'll be having bookmarks and lists, and here it says show bookmarks bar. Just click on always or only on the new tab page. This is up to you. I will just go with always. As you can see, our bookmark is appearing over here. Now we can even create folders here. So right click on the bookmarks bar and click on add folder. Just name it, just go with demo and click on save. You can simply drag and drop it inside it also. If I click it, we'll be having this bookmarked website. Let's suppose say I want to add another bookmark. I will just click this icon and have a name, and this time we'll be having 2 options. One is we can put this website into the demo folder or the bookmarks bar. So this is basically up to you. As you can see, it has been added. You can remove it outside also. Yep. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.